Hey, alright, let's try to put this in and see how we like what this thing looks like. I did love it when it was on the Navigator, but it hasn't been on there for a while. I just took it out, wiped it a little bit. It's not looking great. If you can see that, it's got some, yeah, you can definitely see that. It's got some stuff on it, but from farther away, it's still chrome. Let me wipe it a little bit better with a towel. It's not going to be better, it's just not going to be wet. And throw it in there so we can test out this hitch lock. What I liked about it was that it is protected from weather, which is fantastic, and it's only got a quarter turn lock activation, which is nice. That you don't have to play around with it on the bottom, on your knees and whatever. Chrome plated. I don't know if it's stainless steel. I was looking for stainless steel, but I went with this. I don't know. I'll put it in the description below. You guys can check it out. But chrome and chrome, you can't go wrong, right? Basically, I mean, this is an easy installation, and I guess I can wipe it with it. Air quotes, installed, and there you have it. Installed. That's pretty much it. Why I got this originally for my wife is that in case somebody hits the car, they're not going to hit the bumper, they're going to hit this. Also, this thing holds a lot of weight, so you can use it as a step to get to the roof. Let's secure it, and I'll show you what it looks like. Final product, as it were. And, you know, figure out which hole so I could still get it open in the future. Hang on. Well, there's the finished product. This thing went in nicely. Right there. There's the lock. You can easily get to it. It is protected. It is chrome and blue, and it's definitely locked. And there you have it. Finished product. It's up close, it's not that great because it's been sitting. I'm gonna see if I can somehow polish it or do something with it, but from further away, looks pretty fantastic. Those lights, love them. But there's the finished product. What do you guys think? Is it a yay or a nay? I think I like it, and it's protection, and it's a step. The only thing that I'm worried about, the mosquitoes, is the sensors. Are they going to pick it up? They most likely will, and they're going to tell me that the system is not working in the back or what have you. That might not be great. I will report on that in a future video, but for now, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.